The other very big thing that we believe will continuously change this industry, and it's another sort of buzzword, big data. I think a lot of people of you have heard of the word big data, the phrase, but what is it actually? And big data is easy to say, but is that something that's happening already today? Is that something that we actually use in advertising already? And yes, it is, and actually every one of you is confronted with this as well. So just to give you a few examples around big data happening in the online world right now. Per second, there are 33,000 searches globally on Google. In 1 second, just for comparing what Criteo is doing, for instance, at that time, we have 115,000 RTB requests. So I said before, RTB, real-time bidding. In this case, we receive per second 115,000 times the request to buy a placement and to place an ad. 11,000 Facebook posts per second, and also around 11,000 pictures that we display per second in banners, product pictures, etc. There is around 1,600 tweets per second on Twitter, more than 6,000 banners that we actually display per second, and around almost 800 app downloads per second on the iStore, and we have around 250,000 HTTP requests per second. So I think this really shows big data in the end is already there, is extremely big, is ruling the industry, but is creating a lot of challenges as well. Having said around real-time bidding, automation of and creation of banners, it again becomes very important to have a good product, to have enough people focusing on the product, improving it constantly, and to be able to actually process all of this data. And to finish, I saw this picture and I thought that was quite impressive to see, talking about data, about 50 years ago, that's a whole huge, big-ass thing, 5 megabytes, how heavy it was to process at that time actually. You needed a huge plane to carry this little piece of data, which is kind of a joke today.